We've been hearing a little bit about this dish.
One of the traditional dishes that we have in Corfu, you smell the spices of Bourdeto, is the one that it has a lot of pepper. So Nicholas, our good cook, will prepare all the ingredients and you can help him. Okay?
So we start with the onions to chop them
Red onion.
in small pieces.
And as you can see, a lot of olive oil. A huge can.
Some more water.
Okay.
And then,
This is the cayenne, yeah?
Yeah, and this is a mix of pepper and roseberries.
Oh, roseberries, interesting. And this is just regular black pepper?
It's
Or?
regular pepper.
You grind it like here?
Yes.
Oh.
Too heavy.
So if you like, you can split one.
Does it matter how much of each, or you just...
A bit more pepper than berries.
Okay. How do you grind? Is this okay? This is beautiful. Okay.
So basically the ingredients are onions, olive oil, the spices and tomatoes.
Oh, the onions smell amazing.
Pouring tomatoes to...
all in one, and then they're going to cook down as well, yeah. Okay. So what do you have, the cayenne? Is this to taste, or you just usually a little more?
You can put much
More.
Much more. Oh,
Yes.
okay,
Like
my
that.
style.
A little bit of salt.
You know, if you like it very spicy,
Yeah.
And
you
this
have to
pepper.
add more.
Okay, so I put this pepper.
You're
Oh,
gonna cook
wow, look at
After
that.
15 minutes, it's
Wow.
Would you like to try it?
Yes, please.
That is why you need to have a very good bread to dip
That's
it well
right.
inside.
That's all you need.
Yeah, this is the proper way.
Okay. Wow, good amount of cayenne in that one.
Yeah, it's spicy.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
Oh,
Oh, it smells so nice.
the smells have been continually building up. So let him swim away.
They're swimming in the red sauce.
Come, have some with me.
Thanks.
It's a nice fish.
Is it spicy enough for you?
For me, yes. For her, too much.
Yeah, too spicy, but still not annoying spicy.
Yeah, see, that's what's nice about it, because the fish
Yeah.
offsets
If,
it.
if I had a glass of wine, it would be better. Even
Now
better.
you're talking. I think because when we tasted the sauce on its own, the spice was really intense.
Yes.
But
I
because
may
if
have
you
had to
the
work
fish,
for it,
it's mellow
but boy,
and
was that a
balanced.
good fish
This
stew.
is delicious. Thank you so much. Wonderful.
you.
Thank you.